Hello, I'm John Regina, here to demonstrate the features and safe operation of Gold Medal Steamin Demon hot dog steaming machine. Prior to operation, set the unit on a level surface and plug the power cord into a 110 volt outlet. Remove the two stainless steel lids to access both the hot dog and the bun compartments. Next, remove the hot dog basket, the grill, and the drip pan. Then add no more than 10 quarts of water, making sure to fully submerge the heating element. Reposition the drip pan, the grill, and the hot dog basket. You may then add hot dogs into the hot dog compartment and buns into the bun compartment, arranging both in a way that allows for the free circulation of steam. Close the lids, turn the switch to the on position, then set the thermostat control to high until steam is generated. Then adjust the setting of the thermostat control between low and high. When finished, turn the switch to the off position and drain the water by unscrewing the drain valve cap. Use caution, as the water may still be hot.